Alrighty, David, here's your 383 small block Chevrolet. The description is comments. You got those covers on it. Quick fuel carburetor, MSD distributor, custom ground hydraulic roller. Got it painted red for you. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okey-doke, 3,500, 437 foot-pounds torque, peak torque 484, peak horsepower 479. So everything's good. We'll pull the bikes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here when you see your engine. Find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. Have a great day.